मैं आपके लिए फाइलें ला सकता था।
I could have fetched the files for you. I could have fetched the files for you.
ये सड़क के दाईं तरफ है।
It is on the right-hand side of the road. It is on the right-hand side of the road.
मेरे बेटे का जोश वाव खरोश से सांस फूल रहा था।
My son was breathless with excitement. My son was breathless with excitement.
इसने रात की ठंडक में कदम रखा।
She stepped into the coolness of the night. She stepped into the coolness of the night.
खाने की ट्रे जानवरों से भरी हुई थी।
The food tray was clustered with animals. The food tray was clustered with animals.
अगले ही दिन वो कंपनी में आया।
He showed up the very next day at the company. He showed up the very next day at the company.
तकरीब रुकने के बाद मैंने दरवाजा खोला।
I made for the door after the event came to a stop. I made for the door after the event came to a stop.
वो भागने से पहले एक लम्हे के लिए रुक गया।
He paused a moment before sprinting away. He paused a moment before sprinting away.
वो कारोबारी मंसूबे बनाते रहे।
They kept on formulating business plans. They kept on formulating business plans.
वो पहले ही सख्त आवाज देने लगी थी।
She was starting to sound tough already. She was starting to sound tough already.